Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to start quad without key. Firstly, situate the cables appearing on the ignition. The first cord is frequently merged with a 12V DC from the battery. Usually the cord is red, yet confirm this by matching it with the outcome on the main fuse. Now from here, you must remove one of the remaining wires, recognize the kill switch cable color as well as discover its twin color in the ignition button adapter in the circuitry harness. This wire is generally green. Do not splice this cord. Now the second cable you intend to prevent splicing is the kill button wire. Determine the color of the kill switch wire in your wiring harness as well as the CDI connector. This cable is frequently black with a white stripe. Now this must leave you with only one cord, delicate splice with the initial cord you determined. Just separate the ground and kill the cords pointed out above to stop them from shorting as well as kill the spark. Finally, cut the cables you recognized and also link them marking use of tape and ensure the separate cables as soon as you complete riding to guarantee the lights and gas pump switch off, which stops the battery from being drained by pipes. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.